Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Jazz engine oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a suitable drain pan, and a new oil filter. Ensure your car is safely elevated on sturdy jack stands or ramps. Always locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter on the engine before starting. Safety is paramount for this task. Once your car is secure, position a large drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow ample time for all the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan, ensuring a thorough flush. After the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter and install a new one, ensuring its seal is lightly lubricated. Replace the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it securely but without over-tightening. Now, add approximately 3.6 liters of the recommended new engine oil through the filler cap. This is a crucial step for engine health. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then verify the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed. Finally, remember to properly dispose of the used engine oil at an authorized recycling center. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.